Welcome to my desk, kind of. You're sitting on my desk. The camera is, I mean. Thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch. Info. Subscribe. Do whatever you really want to. It's up to you. Hey pals. We're doing a good old cleaning video, and I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor. Wait, where is the logo? There it is. RESHOEVN8R. RESHOEVN8R and the RESHOEVN8R family of products are, in my opinion, the best sneaker cleaning and maintenance, I guess you could say, products on the market. Like, anything that you need to keep your sneakers clean and looking as new as possible, they have available for you. So today we're actually going to be doing a full everything cleaning of a pair of sneakers, and let's grab them so you know which ones they are. This is a pair I got in a beater box pretty recently. It's a pair of the Foamposites. You can kind of see it looks like there's dirt and like ketchup water and stuff all over these. So these are worn enough. You can see the outsoles. We're going to clean those up too. So we're going to be doing a full comprehensive cleaning on this pair of shoes. So we're going to need most of everything that RESHOEVN8R offers. So let's go through what we need. First of all, let's start with the basic stuff we're going to need. We're going to need the RESHOEVN8R microfiber branded towel. Secondly, we're going to need the RESHOEVN8R absorbent mat thing that this thing, you can spill an entire 8-ounce cup of water on it and it will soak up the entire thing. It's this big mat. Definitely worth it in my opinion. We're also going to need the RESHOEVN8R branded shoe trees. These go from like size 3 all the way up to size 12, even 13 in some kind of models, but this is just going to help keep our shape while we're cleaning and while they're going through the laundry system. So speaking of laundry system, we're also going to be using the RESHOEVN8R laundry pods. This is good for 1 to 2 pairs in a laundry cycle. Also, we're going to be using the RESHOEVN8R branded mesh laundry bag thing that we're going to be putting the shoes in. We're also going to be using RESHOEVN8R collapsible bowl thing. Super handy dandy. We will also be using the RESHOEVN8R 3-brush system. We have a stiff bristle brush, a medium bristle brush, and a soft bristle brush. We're going to be using all 3 of them today. You might notice, here's a little hack, you might notice mine look a little different. It's because I actually treated them with mineral oil on the wood, just like you would treat a cutting board or something. So that's something you can do to extend the life of your brushes if you really want to. Ever so importantly, we are also going to be using the RESHOEVN8R sneaker cleaning solution. This stuff is going to be the key of the entire thing. So let's get to it. Prep work we need to do. Number 1, obviously the shoes are laced. We need to take the laces out, and we also need to take the shoe trees out. So that goes there. So we got the laces out. Next thing you want to do, take the insole out, because we are going to be cleaning the insole. There is some like cat hair and dog hair or something, and some lint. So now we're down to our base shoe. So what I did beforehand was with the outsole, I just took a little screwdriver and got out all the pebbles and stones. You could use whatever you want. I like to clean the bottoms because I think it just makes them look newer. So put about 3-4 ounces of water inside my bowl. This is hard to do like this. I'm right-handed, so I need to switch. Take your cleaning solution, drop just a little bit in the bowl. Don't really need much. A little bit goes a long way. Since we're going to start with the outsole, we're going to grab the stiff bristle brush. Just dunk it in a little bit. I know a lot of people use this cleaning mat thing on a table. I don't do my cleaning on a table because people eat on tables and I don't want shoes on tables. So I just put it on my leg and my leg stays dry. So that's how effective that thing is. So you want to take this, start cleaning. You don't really need to apply a lot of pressure because the brushes are stiff. So they just kind of clean it for you, which is nice because especially when I'm holding it up this way, it can get a little tiring on my weak arms. Kind of want to go with the treads and stuff like that. Sometimes you just want to go in circular motions, counterclockwise or clockwise, over float your boat. But you just kind of scrub it. You don't have to go crazy on it. Because if you go crazy on it, number 1, you're going to bend your bristles, and that's not good for longevity of your brushes. And number 2, it's adding unnecessary work, I guess. This stiff bristle brush is ideal for outsoles and non-painted midsoles, so don't clean your 5s on the midsole with this kind of brush because it's just going to strip the paint off. So we just want to check it out. So you take your microfiber towel, just wipe the solution off, and see how well this turned out. You can see just after one go, it's not perfect, but it's definitely much improved. So if you need to go 2 or 3 times on the outsole to get it to where you want it to be as clean as possible, go for it. Another nice little trick you can do, say you got like an area like this here on the outsole. It's got a little bit of dirt like stuck on it. Not stuck on it, but just needs a little bit more. Just take your towel, dip it into the solution, and just kind of use some elbow grease and get it out. Like here's before. See how this works out. And after. Not perfect, but much improved. So, full disclosure, this is the 3rd time I went over it. So, 3 looks like it's going to be good enough. Much improved. Look at that. It's not perfect, but it's significantly better. So, we're going to take care of the uppers. So, the only thing you need differently, take your medium bristle brush. Ideal for leathers, foamposite material, obviously, and just a little bit more delicate stuff. Not suede. Don't use this on suede or knits because it'll snag the knits. Really, suede you shouldn't be using any solution on. You're going to want to set your adjustable shoe tree to the right size. This is a size 12, so we need it on the biggest setting. Basically, because it's a foamposite, the only reason you really need this little handy like loop here thing, it makes it easier to hold when you're cleaning. Put the solution on your brush and just start cleaning. All these products that you're seeing me use for these shoes are going to be available via the link in my description. It's the link that'll forward you over to RESHOEVN8R, where you can check out, some of the kits they have. You can buy stuff individually if you really want to, but this stuff really works. I really enjoy it, and it's nice too because they offer free shipping in the United States, and they do ship worldwide. So wherever you are and you want to get some of this stuff, feel free. So you see, you're working a good little lather on there. Same diff, you don't have to press too hard. Thirdly, I'm going to take care of the tongue and the surrounding areas, even like some of the ankle collar, some of the heel tab here. Grab your soft bristle brush. This is ideal for suede, for most suedes. Knit uppers, anything delicate, because it's like horsehair, so it doesn't really hurt anything. And it's the same thing, you just kind of clean like you would any other thing. And you can use some of this on the liner, but we are going to be throwing these into the washing machine with a laundry system, so that will take care of the most part. But in terms of when you're using the full kit thing with the laundry and all that, basically what the solution is acting as is kind of like a pre-treat. So before you put it in the washing machine, you don't need to really wipe off all the solution that's on your pair. If you're not putting it through the laundry system, just wipe it off, and you're good to go. Cool. So there's a shoe. We're going to set that aside because we're going to take care of the insole and the laces. So the insole, not super dirty, just has some stuff on it. This is a Mitch thing. This is not a RESHOEVN8R thing. What I have handy a lint roller that I use for this kind of stuff. So back with your cleaning solution and your soft bristle brush, dip it on in, clean the insole. You put your feet in there and it could smell. When people have stinky shoes, a lot of it has to do with the fact that there's odors and bacteria stuck in your insole. So why not clean it? And the nice thing about the insole, now that it is clean, you can just pop it right back in the shoe. So the laces are very, very easy. All you gotta do, take your laces, crumple them up into a ball, dip them in your solution, mix it around with the solution, and just kind of like wash it like you're washing your hands. You'll see most of the dirt come out of it right away, which is pretty cool. All right, so there's the first shoe, and we're gonna clean the other one, and then we're going to throw it through the laundry system. So, see you in a minute. No, I'll just see it when I turn the camera back on. All right, we're clean. Both shoes have been cleaned. Now here's what we're gonna do. Pancake is gonna bark, first of all. Your RESHOEVN8R laundry bag thing. I'm gonna put the shoes in the bag like this. Let me see. With the outsoles facing each other, because you really want the insoles, the liner, and all that stuff to get clean. So, there you go. A little bit of a tight fit, but that's okay. Take your pre-treated laces, throw them in with them. Close it up. Lock it up with this handy little thing here. Tighten it around the mid area too. You'll notice there's this little drawer thing there. What's that for, you ask? Well, here, I'll show you. Grab one of your little RESHOEVN8R laundry pods. Nice little single wash pod here. Pop it into the little drawer. Cover it up, see it a little bit, fella. And we are good to go. Let's go to my basement where my laundry area is. We got our shoes. I'm gonna put it right into the washing machine. With everything all set in the washing machine, you want to set it to cold. Always use cold water when you're doing this. And here we are. Let it fill up. It's obviously not going to do anything, but we got a laundry pot in there and the shoes, laces, and insoles. And we'll wait a half hour and then come back and see how it turned out. Did the laces stay inside? Nah, the laces came out. That's pretty normal though. We got the entire thing right here. Let's take it upstairs. Right away, you can tell the laces are already way cleaner, which is awesome. So let's take these pigs out of the bag. Not a lot of people will say, you know, it's cool to put something heavy like a Foamposite or a Jordan 11 inside the washing machine. Now, this is just to show you that you can, because yeah, it'll take a little bit longer for it to air dry. It's effective. I mean, look at this. Look how clean these turned out. No stuff on the tongue. Super clean. Let's put everything back together and we'll show you just how they turned out. There you go. RESHOEVN8R does it again. You can check out their entire line of products to clean your sneakers, keep your sneakers clean, by going down below into the video description, find my referral link, or just go to RESHOEVN8R.com. And also keep in mind, free shipping in the US and always free returns if you're not satisfied. But let's face it, you're going to be satisfied because this stuff really works. So thanks again, RESHOEVN8R. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good rest of your day. Remember to keep it fun and keep it clean. Bye.